Hello! In this video, we will solve the equation sine of 2x minus pi over 2 equals square root of 2 over 2. When we find x, the values of x have to be on the interval from 0 to 2 pi. And to solve this equation, we will use the unit circle. So on the unit circle, we need to find all the angles where the value of sine is square root of 2 over 2. Recall that on the unit circle, the first coordinates of each point represent the values of cosine, and the second coordinates represent the values of sine. Then, on the unit circle, we see that the value of sine is square root of 2 over 2 when the angle is pi over 4 or 3 pi over 4. So then, we can write that the input 2x minus pi over 2 equals pi over 4, and 2x minus pi over 2 equals 3 pi over 4. But now these are not the only two angles where the value of sine is square root of 2 over 2. And this is because if from each of these angles we add or subtract one or more full rotations, we will end up at the same points where the value of sine is square root of 2 over 2. For example, if we have pi over 4, and if we add one full rotation, which is 2 pi, we will end up at the same point where sine is square root of 2 over 2. So then, to the right side of each of these equations, we need to add 2 pi multiplied by an integer k. And now we need to solve each of these equations for x. In the first equation, I will move negative pi over 2 to the right. Then I will have 2x equals pi over 4 plus pi over 2 plus 2 pi k. Now, to add these two fractions, we need to have the same denominator. Therefore, we will multiply the numerator and the denominator of this fraction by 2. Then we will have 2x equals 3 pi over 4 plus 2 pi multiplied by k. Then in the next step, we will divide both sides by 2. So on the left side, 2x divided by 2 is x, and on the right side, 3 pi over 4 divided by 2 is 3 pi over 8, and 2 pi k divided by 2 is pi k. And now we need to find the values of x that will be on the interval from 0 to 2 pi. I will start by replacing k with 0. Then x equals 3 pi over 8 plus pi times 0, and this equals 3 pi over 8. And indeed, this value is on the interval from 0 to 2 pi. Next, I will replace k with 1, and I will have x equals 3 pi over 8 plus pi times 1. Then this will be equal to 11 pi over 8. And this is another value on this interval. Now, let's try to replace k with 2. So we will have 3 pi over 8 plus pi times 2. But now we see that the value we are getting is going to be greater than 2 pi. So then, let's delete this part. And the only two solutions we will keep will be 3 pi over 8 and 11 pi over 8. And also notice that if we would replace k with negative numbers, then these values would be negative and they would not be on this interval. Now let's solve the second equation. First we will move negative pi over 2 to the other side, so we will have 2x equals 3 pi over 4 plus pi over 2 plus 2 pi k. And again we will multiply the numerator and the denominator of this fraction by 2. And now we will have 2x equals 5 pi over 4 plus 2 pi k. Then let's divide both sides by 2. So on the left side, 2x divided by 2 is x. And on the right side, 5 pi over 4 divided by 2 is 5 pi over 8. And 2 pi k divided by 2 is pi k. And now let's find the values of x that will be on the interval from 0 to 2 pi. First we will replace k with 0, so we will have x equals 5 pi over 8 plus pi times 0, and this equals 5 pi over 8. Now let's replace k with 1, so we will have 5 pi over 8 plus pi times 1, and this equals 13 pi over 8. And both these values are on the interval from 0 to 2 pi. And now if we try to replace k with 2, then we will get a value that will be greater than 2 pi. So then, these are the only solutions on the interval from 0 to 2 pi. We can also write them as a solution set starting from the smallest. So the smallest value for x is 3 pi over 8. Then the next one will be 5 pi over 8. Then 11 pi over 8. And then the last one, 13 pi over 8. And now the problem is completed. If you liked this video, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.